Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. Well, boy, people, I really don't know what these TikTokers nowadays, because everybody is telling a story. I said, but nevertheless, Shauna seems to be upset that she went all the way to Ochi for get some wood, but she never get it. You see, I said, so no, she has said, the man, with man and all of these things, you see me I say, and they look like say Khandy harbor feelings. As you can see, Shauna Chin and Ivany at the front, discussing the matters at hand. You see me I say, voice notes get leaked and all of these things. You see me I say, so a beer bag in a once. You see me I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So let's hear what I go on for not to go on and then we proceed.
Too much, man.
Them a draw advice note cause the boy I tell me say me fi take bus come look for
Wait, start over,
The boy say, me tell the boy say me car not one fix. The boy say me fi take Knoxwood come look for him and a Westmoreland. Cause a good cocky me a come for. So him a play advice note. That said boy Donia, so me said to him say a good pussy a come for. So come a town. So him only play the voice.
A real cuss to not cuss.
So him play the voice note when me say a good pussy him a come for. Him not play the voice note when time him tell me first say a good cocky me a come for. The boy over there like a waste man, him a batty bad binds. Binds what he want fuck me to. The two of them a care pussy feelings.
Only in binds. Sir,
One batty boy when him have a follow back him everywhere him go. Me tell him say come for me. The whole of them want they come for me. Binds know say me there town. Binds know say me there town.
hey, when you come off from my blood clot page, now come tell me about who for mix me 3 wheel. When you can't give me, so that means say you can't tell me what for duck. You not pay my rent, you know.
Say,
you and nobody not send me no wheel, so I don't really want to hear about it.
Same way from the time me and you are play. From the time me and play, them carry the news and me and Vanya chat him. Me pour me and Vanya over here. Vanya just a tell him say, yo, and then a regular thing Vanya tell him for fuck off and tell him say my batty man. And him vex with me and block me for that because true Vanya I diss him. And I go talk about say me I carry feelings for black. Me give a fuck if you want block me on social media. You know
so him block you for any time with the match.
Yes. I carry feelings from the match.
Yeah, Batty man for true. No, nobody can't come for me all day now.
Guys, catch his speed. We need
10
4 more
rows.
rows.
Sell away for that.
4 more rows my side. Catch his speed.
Me don't know say that's serious between them guys. Me don't know.
They're too late my side.
I don't know say.
I want my friend there.
My girl, 5 wheel for me do the non-costume and the makeup today. 5 wheel minute. Tita?
No, we have my girl there diss me too. What's your name? Khandy. No, we have Khandy at this. Me say me a mad over cocky. Oh, what a ras.
Huh?
Yeah, them, yes. She over there say me a mad over the boy cocky and show him block me vex.
So all she reach involved in a yarn argument?
Because her man, she defend her man, my love. She said my bad.
You know me feel like each other for true.
She said my bad mind her because she said me rub down him chest. Poor me not even get close to the man for rub down no chest. My ex-man did that, so me for rub down somebody chest. And my ex-man did
They
it.
say I lie. When I said they say I tell lie you first call her name. Hello.
I said Khandy was in Ochi too. When he was telling a lie that I was in Ochi waiting on him, I said I was waiting on Khandy too in Ochi Rios. Me never did say me in a Ochi, in a one hotel, me check out, me go buy food. Khandy say she a link up, so me did say we don't need a deal if we go river Margaritaville go buy juice or something. And I so comes. The whole of them a take what them want take up out of the message and put it all them want put it and spread news. The whole of them when you see over, you say, oh no, easy for blood clot trick. And that's
they love, let me tell you what him they tell you.
Them going use on the dirty blood clot. You say, oh no. So I'm not feel sorry for none of
you see media, in media, me teach about the media. So the media undefeated. You see, once they love Smaddy, Smaddy can't run in their eyes. Look at me.
No, I that.
Alright, me go show you. Look for me. Me can't run in a people eyes who love me, you know. No matter what me do, them run your way and cuss you. Me can't run, so it's same thing. They rate Khandy more than you, so you're not gonna right in them eyes. But they say a lie, I tell her you. Guys, she did say it. She called Khandy name and say, hey, dirty girl, me get my ticket already. Go ahead. She said she wait for Khandy too. Did you say that in a one war vibes or you wait for her for something?
I said nothing about no war vibes. I said the whole we did link up for Shensi a party. And when I will and meet them did tell for them hotel, me then at my hotel. The day when time I check out is the time when time the whole we say me say alright, let me see what them up to because me forgot Montego Bay. Forgot deal with my store. Cause me have a store location at Montego Bay with my business. Got the store, the body stone. So I say me I go down there go check pan the stocks them or something. So I say me chill with them at Margaritaville or so first before me go Montego Bay. And so comes with me the inner Ochi. Khandy did that say she go do her eyelash. In a Ochi, so she da go link up with me. So comes with me that said to Donia say, yo, what the pre? If we are going Margaritaville or we are going River before me cut go Mobile. So when time the dog answer me and call me, when time the dog call me the already leave Ochi and go Montego Bay. So me said to him, say, brother, me then Ochi all along. And you not for did answer the message pan time. So me gone about my business. So I eat him play and I say me then Ochi I wait for him. Him twist up the story and say me I wait for him. That's why I have all voice notes in my phone. So any day if you go no further, me on the blood clot pan this cause me a screen record everything I put on my page.
So the one, the voice note where you say him put out when him say you say you wait pan good cocky. What play that one make the people them ears see him first say it then?
Me play it already but them buy me play it already. Me play it over here. Him a tell me say take bus come look for him. And me say you no rate me. You out of order for come take bus come look for you. And him say a good cocky me a come for.
Couldn't call me. You couldn't call me.
Wait then.
Couldn't call me.
You know that
You couldn't call me. You couldn't call me. Then if me I send you one video, and then me not see her radio, no much to don't try to get up and delete every message. Delete me number too, man.
But if I live, so only you check phone like often like you. I expect you to send me a message. I say you delete it, so I delete every message. Come and know what I delete for. You're lucky. When I delete shit, so you delete my number if you want.
She know me I delete the number for. I will me I delete the number for. And I come out Westmoreland and that more to the crowd of Westmoreland.
You want me to delete your number for too? I need to.
But then just take a next word and sit down and relax.
Donia, you mad? You must have mad to blood clots. You tell me say me, Shauna Chin, aka Shauna Controller, for take Knoxford and sit down in the Knoxford come. I Westmoreland come look for you. You not rate me. You not rate me. Me never yet take a Knoxford yet all the time. I don't care. I don't take Knoxford. You want me to take Knoxford? You must have mad to blood clot.
Oh, dear children, I could can't come find me when you fuck there. Alright, then you just don't comfortable and play because I'm come. Alright, here I go. I'm forward at Kingston then.
Jesus Christ. Donia go for the pussy, me can't bother word. So you and Donia like each other?
Like which either me a lead the man kind of look me.
Then like how you lead the man, suppose the rugger name get between the two of you, like what if the two of you never did argue now?
Him come in when we see him so many times, but I always just disappear. Even one time he come for them, one time he tell me to shoot the movie, me carry 2 men with me and a girl. And him say me worse than 6. Me carry bag of security back at me. And I so comes in start to call Auntie She for come down at the Airbnb because him say me carry too much man back at me.
No, but me I say, what if Uno never cuss? What if this thing never did a go on? And you say you lead him man. It all know that probably there or something.
No, because I cut it off a long time. From them time they went out with you go down at the him say me carry 2 man back at me. He never like that. When time I go down at Ochi at Shensia party, he only see me at the party and I left from the party and go about my business, go my hotel. And the next, me I leave on to bumbo clad time. I got me praise, you know. God me believe, you know. Me I leave on to bumbo clad God. Cause no must think say me God love me, know that. Una fake. Una so fake, bro. Una can't even have una can't be yourself naturally. Una fear depend on Mali. It two are uno junkies. Una fear depend on Mali for entertain. You can't chat to me. Remember say a whole heap of people did act and then where them they know. A whole heap of people did act and where are they now? Me can't do what I do, you know. I told me no want Mali out my life. I told me no want Mali out my life. Because Mali I go eat up into only mash up on yourself. And Donia Woodroot soon start feel him. Because I might take too much Mali. Uno moving the blood clot, cause uno want to look like, uno want to paint a picture like uno perfect in the media eyes. Me can't be right authentic me. Me no need to play, me no need to go on like and prove to uno. None of uno go suck uno mother. Who like me will stay. Who rate me will stay. Me not look no ratings from none of uno. Go suck uno mother. A whole heap of people me see this uno and me see them still a blood clot strife on the app. Who is uno? Una God? I told people afraid for telling the blood clot truth. Una blood clot God? A favoritism do not work off right now. Favoritism una bumbo clot work off. Make sure so una do always work for no. Cause you must think that people them easy. You think that people can't tame? Them can't tame. Them can't tame. Now come talk about body feelings. Body feelings with what? That's why I make you hear the voice note. If it was all about body feelings, we could have go take the fuck to. Like all of uno. Me could have go take the fuck to like all of uno. We take the fuck and can't talk. What is me could have go take the fuck to and can't talk like uno. More of no dibby dirty bumbo old friend. So I'm not playing none of uno can program me. Uno only can program them. Uno can't program me. My son. My nice, handsome, strong son. Come here. My 17-year-old. Bill, make some more coffee for your mommy, please. You can put in the next charger for me, please. My nice, come now. Just put the charger in the no. Think some me run down blood clot, man.
Which one are you now put in?
The longer one. I have to go buy back one. I can't bother with them charger, you know. Favoritism will not work off. On the bus the girl, that me a defend. Suck on the mother, don't have for me now. That me a defend. On the bus, Fabian stop embarrass the girl. Okay, you know what you do, pussy. You know what you do. Play a match with the girl. If you never fuck her, play a match with her. Bust the girl. That me I say, pussy. That me I say. Now make it look like the girl. No girl now run down the man so and never get the cocky. I run you down so and stalk you so. and have so much authorities. When you fuck a girl have authority if you just show up anyway, do anything, torment you and them something there. If you boss a girl, me not business if she embarrassing, you should fuck her. You should fuck her so good then. That's not that me I do, you tell me
And if you want to continue with the story, go to my dancehall story channel and you should see videos them up. It's not on the screen right now, but it should be up by the time you reach this part of the video. You see my bless.